In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TIndora curry, or in Gujarati, TIndora nu Shaak. And it is extremely simple to make and very delicious, which you can eat with rotli or rice. I've got some TIndora here, also known as IV Gourd. So with this TIndora, just make sure that when you buy them, they're quite firm. I'm just going to slice just both the top ends, but very, very slightly. Just take the top ends off and then cut the TIndora in half. And you see this TIndora is good because it's all nice and white. If there are any red bits, that means the TIndora are very ripe and I wouldn't use them. And now with this TIndora, you just really need to make very thin slices. Just slice them like this. I'm going to use this large pan to cook the TIndora in. I'm warming up the pan. I'm going to use around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and I'm just going to wait for them to pop. The mustard seeds have started popping, so I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of hing. And I'm adding the TIndora in the pan. Just going to give it a mix. I'm putting about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to turn the flame to medium and I'll close the lid and just let it cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm just going to check the TIndora. Give it a stir. I'm adding a little bit of water to the TIndora. Not too much, just a little bit, maybe half a cup. I'm going to close the lid again and let these TIndoras cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're quite tender. I'm just turning the heat a little bit low and I'm going to check. I'm going to add just a little bit more water to this and let it cook again for a few more minutes. Okay, I'm just going to have another look. The TIndoras have started becoming soft now, so I'm going to add all my spices. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, one teaspoon salt. Just give it a good mix. I'm going to put the lid on again and just let it carry on cooking for a few more minutes. I'm just going to have a look at the tindora. I'm going to reduce the flame because the curry is actually looks done. I'm just going to check it to see if it's actually softened up. Yeah, I can just slice it. So the tindoras are actually cooked. Okay, I'm going to serve the tindora now, but before serving, always make sure that you taste the curry in case it needs a bit more salt or any other spices. You can always make it spicier or according to your taste.